Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coastlife Credit Union mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coastlife Credit Union Mobile Banking is a mobile app designed to give credit union members secure and convenient access to their accounts anytime, anywhere. The app allows users to check balances, view recent transactions, transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, locate ATM/branches, and send secure messages. The app's main feature is its all-in-one mobile banking hub. You can monitor account activity, manage payments, transfer money, and find the nearest branch or ATM directly from your phone. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its intuitive interface, reliable balance checks, and convenient bill payment and transfer features. Features such as mobile check deposit on supported accounts and secure login add convenience and security. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional issues with mobile deposit capture accuracy, limited support for external bank account linking, and basic budgeting or multi-account aggregation tools. In summary, the Coastlife Credit Union mobile banking app may be worth using if you are a member who wants quick, secure, and flexible mobile access to everyday banking tasks, balance checking, transferring funds, paying bills, and banking on the go. However, if you need advanced financial planning features or full external account integration, it may not offer everything you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.